So check it out. Once in a while I'll find something on eBay I think that'll be nice to use for a custom paint, and it turns out to be in a lot better shape once I get it cleaned up than I thought, and so I decided to keep it as original, and that's the case with this Commodore Vanderbilt. I got it with another CV. Both of them had motors in them. One of them had the correct motor, the pre-war. The other one had the one with the Baldwin drivers that somebody had stuck in there. So I can use that one for a custom paint because it had already been painted red. Someone used a paintbrush. So, but this one, I cleaned up the shell. I used a Mr. Clean Magic eraser pad and some Armor All. It cleaned it up really nice. You have to be careful with the Magic eraser pad not to use it too much because it will take the paint off. But this one, it polished it up and took all that grease and grime that's been on there probably for years. And I even got a headlight that works. So we're going to take it for a spin. You can check it out. And like I said, it really turned out nice. I was really pleasantly surprised and decided to keep it as is. The lighted caboose that I made and works really good. I used a .006 feeler gauge type material as a pickup shoe. This one seems to run pretty good at slow speed too. You don't have to run them at ludicrous speed all the time. Alright, so you don't have to paint everything. This one certainly was worth saving. It came out really nice. Nice little pre-war CV by Marx. Certainly amazing how dependable the motors and how simple they are. I'm sure some little kid was really happy to get it on Christmas morning. And so thanks again for watching. God bless, and never forget, Jesus is Lord.